Welcome back, friends. So sometimes it can be kind of hard to find adventures, outdoor adventures specifically, that are mobility friendly, and by that we have a couple of family members that are limited in their mobility. So this next adventure will be a really good one for that. Dowdle's Knob in Pine Mountain, Georgia. Headed to Dowdle's Knob, which is where President Roosevelt used to come and dine. It wasn't just a picnic area. He actually had a brick oven built here on top of the knob for his meals. So we'll check it out. It's the highest point on the Pine Mountain range. So this is kind of one big ridge that runs several miles, and this is the highest point. So let's check it out. So obviously this isn't a hike. President Roosevelt wouldn't have been able to do that. So yeah, you literally just park right here in the parking area, and here it is. And it is stunning up here. That looks like the remnants of the old oven, brick oven. And then this looks like you can see the Pine Mountain range here. See if I can zoom in a little. It extends all the way into eastern Alabama, and it's a ridge that rides a little over 20 miles in length, and most of it is over 1,000 feet in elevation. It's separate from the Appalachian Mountains, so the Appalachian Mountains terminate further north. Yeah, go see the oven. Check it out. So yep, this was President Roosevelt's grill, and they filled it in to preserve it. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave it here while I read this. I'm not going to read it out loud. You can read it to yourself. But if you don't want to read this, just go ahead and fast forward through it. It's crazy. Look at all that stuff they'd bring up here to have a picnic.